Coca-Cola is changing its classic cans nationwide. You might be a little bit confused the next time you get a bottle of Coke, but fret not, your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. The Coca-Cola Company has officially unveiled a massive global brand refresh, and it's rolling out across more than 200 markets around the world. Same iconic taste, fresh new look. Instead of throwing out a century of history to chase modern design trends, Coke is leaning heavily into what it calls its most unmistakable assets. The goal? To give its cans, bottles, multi-packs, and digital apps one clean, unified look everywhere on Earth. Design changes on the new cans. The biggest visual change you'll notice right away is on the classic red and white soda cans. After nearly a decade of sitting horizontally, the famous logo is flipping back to a vertical orientation running up the side of the can. Coca-Cola Zero Sugar is getting a serious upgrade to make it stand out even more. The company is giving Coke Zero a fresh redesign that brings them closer to the iconic, classic red Coca-Cola branding, but with a few clever tweaks to keep things distinct. Design changes on the new cans. Say goodbye to the bold black font and logo on the packaging. The new design shifts closer to the popular soda's classic red look, with its lettering highlighted by a sleek black dynamic ribbon across the design. To make sure nobody grabs a regular Coke by mistake, both cans and bottles will clearly display Zero Sugar right underneath the main logo. Coca-Cola Caffeine Free is set to display a light golden coloring on the logo and font on its red can. Multi-pack cardboard boxes are dropping the stretched-out logo across the front and replacing it with a clean, horizontal image of an actual Coke can. Flavor-first logos and redesigned boxes. For flavored varieties, like vanilla, cherry, or lime, a vibrant graphic of the fruit or flavor will now sit directly inside the logo itself, with the flavor name written neatly underneath. Diet Coke is left out in the cold. While Coke, Zero Sugar, and flavored varieties are all getting a fresh coat of paint, Diet Coke is staying completely untouched in this round of updates. While the company hasn't given an official reason, industry speculation suggests it may be because Coca-Cola treats Coca-Cola and Diet Coke as two distinct brand identities. When can you get your hands on one? The rollout is officially underway across Latin America, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. If you live in North America, you'll have to wait just a bit longer, as the redesigned cans and packaging are not scheduled to land on US and Canadian shelves until 2027.